And I'm Nora. Do you know why it rains? If you do, write in the comments below, because this today's science experiment is about rain. Today we are doing rain in a cup. This is very safe and you do not need adult supervision. You will need a clear or plastic glass cup. We have one. Water. We got water in the jar. Shaving cream. Right here. And food coloring. Did you know on other moons and planets, rain is made of sulfuric acid or methane? Wow, that's so cool. If you did, write in the comments below with your other answer. Time to put the shaving cream in. Are you ready? Yeah! Whoa! It's puffy so far. Oh, that is puffy. It's a cloud. I'm a cloud. I'm a cloud. I'm a cloud. I'm a cloud. Let me get some in front. That is puffy. Okay, now it's time to put the food coloring in. We will need 5 drops of each color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, we're not done. We have one more bottle to go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's wait. Oh look, the green's already going in. Oh. Wait, why isn't the rest going down? I think we need to add more. No, they need to make bigger drops because it's not heavy enough. The cloud can't, but when they get bigger drops, the rain will fall. I just missed part of the cloud there. That's why it went down already. Let's wait a few minutes and see what happens. What should we do while we wait? Let's do some jokes. Okay, I go first. Okay. Knock knock. Who's there? Lettuce. Lettuce who? Let us in. It's cold and it's raining. Okay. My turn. Why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know. Why? To get to Chick-fil-A. That's so funny. Let's see. Oh, my turn. Okay. Why did the rain cloud feel funny? Why? Because it was raining. Good. I like it. Let's see. Oh, let's check on the food coloring so far. No, nothing happening. Look, it's fine. I think we need to add more. Let's do it. We'll add 3 more drops of each. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Look at the bottom of the cloud. Oh, it's raining so already. 1, 2, 3. You mean it's sprinkling? Yeah. And 1, 2, 3. Wow, Brooke, it looks so cool. I know. Oh, only green's going down so far. I think that orange Please get it back. Well, it's just on a cloud. Okay. Ooh. That's cool. Wow. Hey, see if they can see me funny. You go first. Funny. The camera kind of looks funny too. I look funny. You too, viewers. Oh, it's getting farther down. Whoa. Let's watch. What else should we do while we wait? Let's see. I don't know. That's a cool cloud, though. Hey, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who picks. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ow. Another round. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You get to pick them. Yay! Okay. I don't really think I have an idea yet. Mommy, what are you doing? Look. Yeah? Do you have any ideas? No. Wow, look. Whoa. That's awesome. While we were playing rock, paper, scissors, look what happens. Cool. Whoa. It's raining good. Look out, little village. Here comes a bunch of rain. We're gonna flood. That's funny. How could that happen so quick? Let's do another rock, paper, scissors relay. Yay! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Down. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You win. Let's try again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Down. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I think you guys got some pretty good rain coming down.
Wow! Whoa!
Look at that. So it took a little while, right?
Yeah.
Why was that?
Because the clouds, like real clouds, the water drops had to bump into each other and get bigger before they're big enough to fall down.
Oh.
Oh, wait, didn't you already tell us that science fact? Yeah?
Well, it's good to repeat science facts. That way we remember them. So
Yeah.
you learned that on Storybots, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So the water molecules had to bump up into each other and get bigger, and then they filled the cloud up, and
Then they're not fine.
we also used super, super cold water, right?
Yeah.
And if we had used warm water, the cloud, aka the shaving cream, would have melted a little sooner, and we probably would have had more rain. We're getting some good looking raindrops. Look at the blue coming down. Isn't that pretty?
And the yellow.
Yeah.
And the green is already almost done. I'm gonna check on. No red yet. No.
All right, well, we can come back later. We can share some pictures with our audience. But if you want to do this experiment at home, Brooke, tell them again what they need.
You need a clear glass or plastic cup, shaving cream, water, and food coloring.
Excellent. All right, so what are you going to tell everybody, Nora?
Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. We have a goal to get to 1 million subscribers. Right now we only have 14. please subscribe.
Okay.
Pretty please.
All right.
And ring the bell for more videos like this one.